everyone, today I'll be making blender lemon pie. What all goes into the blender lemon pie? 4 large eggs, 1 stick or 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 lemon sliced into wedges, seeds removed, 1 1/4 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, frozen pie shell, and powdered sugar for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a blender, put in your 4 eggs, your slightly cooled butter. You don't want scrambled eggs. Dump that in there. And that was 1 stick of butter. Your lemon wedges, peel and all, just make sure the seeds are removed. If you cut them into wedges, you can find the seeds a lot easier to remove them. You 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Your 1 teaspoon vanilla. Put your lid on. Turn the power on and pulse it until mostly smooth. So that looks pretty good. Then take your blended lemon pie filling and pour it into the frozen crust. And you're going to have little bits of pieces of the rind. Then put your blender lemon pie into a 350-degree oven. For 45 minutes or until set. Alright, so the blender lemon pie came out of the oven after 47 minutes. We'll let it completely cool and then we will dust it with powdered sugar. So the blender lemon pie is completely cooled. Take some powdered sugar and just dust it all over the top of the pie. And there is the blender lemon pie. When Dave gets home, I'll have him do a taste test. So here is the blender lemon pie. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is that lemon?
It is. Blender lemon pie.
There's some texture in there. Is it? Is there like the peeling of the lemon in there?
Yeah, I cut up the lemon and put it in there, peeling and all.
Oh,
Just made sure that the seeds weren't in there.
that's different.
All the ingredients went into a blender. I blended it up and I poured it into the pie shell.
The pieces of the peel, some of them are really tart. It's overall still a very lemony taste, and it's sweet, but the little pieces of the peel are really tart. If you like tart, this will do it. That is good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.